Let's just get started, shall we? It's great to see you. How are you? It's been a little while. I've taken a summer holiday, a bit of a screen break, hanging out with my family, going on summer holidays. And I've got so many things to share with you as the autumn starts and the new school term arrives. And yet also I noticed how hard it was to actually get started with so many plans and so many desires to make you the perfect start of the school year video. I ended up making no video at all. And so I was reminded of wise Marie Forleo and her advice to start before you're ready. At this point in the year, with so many of my children starting school and all of the plans that we have made to help them with that big leap into the school year, I'm often reminded of the fact that our children often start before they're ready, or certainly start before it feels like they might be ready. And yet they always surprise us. And so in honor of the many children who are starting preschool and school with maybe a little bit of trepidation for both parents and themselves, I wanted to dive in and get started with a little hello and happy September. I've got lots of ideas and activities to share with you over the coming months as you support your child's speech and language development. But I felt like we needed to just reintroduce ourselves. So if you haven't said hello to me before, do drop a note in the comments below and say hi. What brings you to this neck of the digital world? And if we haven't met before, my name's Bryony Rust. I'm a speech and language therapist, and I usually say I'm here every week sharing with you videos about speech and language development, but I haven't been in a little while, and so this is me recommitting to you. Oop. And as we often wait for the perfect moment to start something, I wonder if we delay in a way that isn't always useful. Sometimes there's a real benefit to just diving in. This isn't just the case for our children who are starting school, but also our teachers getting their classrooms ready, the speech and language therapists who are arranging their school schedules to go and visit children and support them. But I wonder if there's anything that you, this autumn, want to start, and you keep waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect time. And I challenge you to consider maybe this is just good enough. Maybe this is the moment where you can start before you're ready, learn in the process. You don't have to get it perfect, you just have to get it going.